dead Navy Yard, where lovers come by and leave ghosts in the dark. Engineers fixed me with passion and pride, built my bow strong and my stern was set wide. I carried brave men to their fame and their doom. There were terrified boys, yeah, I carried them too. Ordered to sail past the ocean's blue brink, where they beat me with shrapnel and demand that I sink. But I am more than my steel. Out past the breakers, I've earned my meals, and for my baby, a band of gold is all she'll know. And men go to war for the funniest things, but nobody's laughing when the telephone rings. I've known desperate souls on their knees in a squall, pray to whichever God was on call. But we are more than our faith. Out past the breakers, we all die the same, and for our babies, the catacombs is all they'll know. Now I've sailed home maybe once or twice, but they don't recognize my flag when I come home at night and I pray things will change. Now I'm docked at the pier, $30 a tour, where your family takes pictures and your children get bored. And you might not know what they put me here for, and where was the battle or who won the war. But I am more than my name. Out past the breakers, we play these games, and for my baby, the lies they told is all she'll know. I was born one night in the dead